how to fix lag and Wi-Fi error in Brawl Stars. So if you want to fix lag and Wi-Fi error in Brawl Stars, then what you need to do is, first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, whether you have a stable internet connection or not. Launch any of the application that runs on internet other than Brawl Stars and check if it works or not. If it doesn't work, what you can do is launch your settings and open the Wi-Fi option, or click on the Wi-Fi that you're connected to and click on forget this network, which will be on the bottom. Give a refresh to start your router, then connect it again and it will fix your problem. Or you can also switch to a network. If you're using your Wi-Fi, you can go with your mobile data, or if you're using your mobile data, you can switch to a Wi-Fi. Or the next thing you can do is go back and then clean up your storage. You can go with your settings, search, and here you need to search for storage. Tap on it. Once you tap on storage, now you need to go with the storage again. And if you have any unused or unwanted storage, then you just need simply go and delete those. You can go and free up your space, and after freeing up your space, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to find your Brawl Stars application, tap and hold on to it, go with the app info. Under app info, you need to go with clear data, which is on the bottom right, and clear all of the data. Once you've cleared your data, you can go back and log into your account and it might fix your problem. Or just simply go and restart your device and that's it. In this video, you'll be able to fix lag and Wi-Fi error in your Brawl Stars, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.